Warm welcome, Thai customers visit EagerLED. Our sales representatives will introduce the background, product features and technical advantages of EagerLED to you. We will listen to your needs and provide professional solutions to meet your requirements. Next, we will lead you to visit our LED screen showroom. Our staff will give you a detailed introduction to the features, functions and applicable scenarios of various products. Then, we will lead you to visit our LED screen burn-in workshop. Our staff will explain our production process to you and show how we ensure the quality and stability of each LED screen. Thank you again for choosing EagerLED for your visit. We look forward to cooperating with you and providing you with excellent LED screen products and high-quality services.